everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. I am wearing my comfy clothes today, so I hope nobody minds. I sit around the house most of the day. Hey, I have a diamond painting unboxing to share with you. This is... Charlie's actually up on the bed today. And he's making a little noise because he sees his own reflection in the glass door. What a goofball. Anyway, this is a new one from Fundaful, one of my favorite diamond painting companies. I'm just looking at the symbols. It's very clear. This one's a little different. I think Lou is trying something new. First of all, here is the image. This is how it came because it came from Amazon. So it came in a box and it came packaged like this. It looks perfectly fine. If you can see some of these symbols on here, they're really, really super clear. I like that. But the other ones I've received were in a box, a Fundaful box. But if she's sending them, if they're coming from Amazon in a box, why does the diamond painting need to be in a box? Doesn't make sense. So this arrived perfect shape. The other thing that's different is she put the clear plastic on here. Normally hers have a paper cover. This one is clear plastic, but not even a single crumple, a little folded because it was rolled up. Here's the inventory sheet. She always gives a really nice inventory sheet that I always refold them so that they fit into my little drill case. I like the inventory sheet to be right on top. This is a 35 by 45 full drill round. Now here is her little kit. Toolkit, very sweet, has a little thank you card on the back of it. She sends a nice little kit. There's never any need for this kit to be super crazy special because we all buy our own stuff anyway, or at least I do. But this is really nice kit. Little green boat, 2 pieces of wax. I see some bags. A little squishy, it goes on the pen to make it more comfortable. Some nice tweezers. And I see 2 pens in there. Both have a single drill side. And this one has what looks like a 6 placer. And this is new, a straightener paddle. Everybody loves these straightener paddles, including me. So that is a little extra special, isn't it? And I'm going to read the card. Dear valued customer, greetings from us. First of all, thank you very much for your purchase on my store. It is our pleasure to service you. This diamond painting is full round drills. We checked the whole package before we shipped it to you to make sure all is good. We hope you're satisfied with our goods and service. If there is any query or suggestion about this item, please feel free to contact us, and we'd like to help you solve any problem about your diamond painting. If you don't mind, we'd like to invite you to help us leave a review about this diamond painting. We will highly appreciate it, which will help our small business to grow. Looking forward to serving you again in the near future. Have a wonderful day. That's very sweet. Oh, pretty little thank you card. You know, it's the little things that make me happy. A little extra person saying thank you is delightful. And I do know that reviews are very important on Amazon. You get a negative review, you're going to have a problem. And if you have no reviews, it's like eBay. Nobody wants to deal with you. So here's the diamond painting. Let me show you up close again. Very clear drills. Very nice. Oh, this is weird. It's all in Russian. Huh. Okay, its size says 45 by 35. I really like the bright colors on this one. The yellow tree and the blue tree and the purple tree over here. Very pretty. The drills look good. The backs are absolutely flat. I don't see any trash in the bags. They're all marked with the DMC number. Here's some of the colors you can see. Very bright, a lot of lavender in here. Very pretty. A very nice like ruby red down there. Very nice. As usual, I will do the inventory and then I will put it in the description if all the drills appeared to be there. Has a few creases from being rolled up, but they're not, if you look at the bag, they're not real creases. They're just slight dents, which will, when I lay it flat in my stash, it'll be fine. I'm not peeling it up because you don't really have to do that for the plastic covers. And yeah, the comment about the Russia is not a pro or a con, I just thought it was interesting. I love these little cottages with the swans. I'll put the picture up for you so you can see the image, the full image. And yeah, that's it. You have a great day. I'm sorry my yappy dogs are being yappy. They do not like people near their house, and Charlie does not like that little puppy in the reflection of the glass door. So, have a great day. Happy diamond painting. Thank you for coming to see my unboxing. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye. Baby's putting on her perfume. Gotta keep Charlie out of the picture because he's being disgusting. Sneak peek.